have to use one hand. Do it with both right hands, first right hand, then second left hand. This is kind of hard.
I had to move that stool from that point to this point, first with one hand and then with both my hands. It took me 6 seconds to move the stool with one hand and 4 seconds to move the stool with both my hands.
From the experiment performed, we can conclude that power and time taken are directly related, as in the first case, since we used one hand to move the object from one part of the room to the other, we required more power and hence the time taken was also more, whereas in the second case, since we used two hands to move the object, the power required was less and hence the time taken was also less.